What's up, y'all YouTubers? This is Tony here again, down here at the docks, Waianae. See, I'm just checking out the storm surge and seeing how everything's going down here. The water's pretty average to me. It's a little choppy. You can check it out down here. Walk out on the dock a little bit. See if you guys can see this. It's not bad. It's nice over here in Waianae Pier. Alright, see all the boats. It's quiet right now. See out there in the harbor. It's pretty good. You guys are fishing. We're here to surge down here in the bottom. Watch the surge come up. Check it out. It's pretty high on that one. Yep. Just another beautiful day in Waianae. Checking out the docks. Just no boats out here docking right now. It's pretty calm and peaceful. Very light wind. Cloudy. A little humid. See the surge. Right on. Little boats in the harbor. Those are docking, the little docking slips. Cost like $300 a day, I think, over here, or $300 a month. Wow, pretty expensive. But that's what you pay for in Hawaii. Beauty. Check out the mountains.